We are Virginia Tech. We are set today and we will be set for quite a while. We are not moving on. We are embracing our morning. We are Virginia Tech. We are strong enough to stand fearlessly. We are brave enough to beg to cry. We sad enough to know we must laugh again. We are Virginia Tech. We do not understand this tragedy. We know we did nothing to deserve it. But neither does the child in Africa dying of AIDS. Neither do the invisible children walking the night away to avoid being captured by a rogue army. Neither does the baby elephant watching his community be devastated for ivory. Neither does the Mexican child looking for fresh water. Neither does a Appalachian infant killed in the middle of the night in his crib in the home his father built with his own hand, being run over by a boulder because the land was destabilized. No one deserves a tragedy. We are Virginia Tech. The Hockey Nation embraces our own and reaches out with open heart and hand to those who offer their hearts and minds. We are strong and brave and innocent and unafraid. We are better than we think and not quite what we want to be. We are alive to the imagination and the possibility we will continue to invent the future through our blood and tears. Through all this sadness, we are the Hockeys. We will prevail, we will prevail, we will prevail. We are Virginia Tech.